St. James Street. My word. We're in Falmouth, Trelawny, and we're gonna check out the Artisan Village Food Festival to be held right here on the left. The Artisan Village here in Falmouth. Excitement ahead. Let's see what it is like over there. Let's go. So that was the Artisan Village Food Festival held right here on the right. We had a good time there. Now we're gonna head straight into Montego Bay. Yeah, we're heading straight into Montego Bay. Again, let me know who's watching this video, where you're watching from. This is Island Max showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. Look like we're gonna get some rains. Let's see if we can make it into Montego Bay before the rains come down. We're on Tharp Street. We go right around this bad patch here. Again, it's Independence Day. Jamaica is celebrating 64 years of independence. Alright, so it says that if we turn on the right, that would have carried us to the town center. But we're going onto the North Coast Highway, so we're going to turn left. Kayuki Tourist bus there. And on the left is Champion Mall. Champion Supermarket and Wholesale is over there. Look at the sky, man. This rain is going to burst, I'm telling you. Thrifty gas station on the left. Another gas station on the right. You can see the water settling here. Falmouth is really flat. On the right is the market. Yeah, Falmouth is really flat, and you can see it's like a swamp, the mangroves on both sides of the road. If you come from these parts of Jamaica, Falmouth, Trelawny, you let me know in the comment section. Clarkstown, Jacksontown, Stewarttown, all of these areas, Duncans. You let me know which areas you're representing, or you just love what you're seeing in Jamaica, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so there's the Falmouth Bridge. We're going under the bridge now. Let's wait our turn. If we continued straight, that would have carried us to Montego Bay. We made the right turn, and this will carry us back onto the North Coast Highway. And we can merge. We're good to go. Let's go. Look at the backdrop, man. It's like a picture we're looking at. Jamaica is so lovely. Jamaica is so blessed. So we're going to be passing areas like Greenwood, Lilliput, all of those areas going back into Montego Bay. A lot of things are lined up, a lot of activities are planned in Montego Bay. I believe there will be a live band performance in Harbour City. There will also be Sunday Souls coming up. A couple days, Sunday Soul series of parties. Just beautiful. Today is a holiday. Remember, today is a holiday, so the traffic is not that tough on the roads. So we can take it easy, cruise into Montego Bay. We're going to cross the border. We're going to see where the border of Trelawny and St. James is. So see the Falmouth sign there on both sides of the road. Alright, so we are 27 kilometers away from Montego Bay, 66 kilometers away from Lucy, and 104 kilometers away from Negril. Who remembered our videos that we did in Negril? You see the people doing the cliff diving, guests, tourists and locals doing cliff diving on the West End at the Rick's Cafe. Yes, we have been there, so I hope you've been checking out all those videos. Alright, we are now in Greenside. And then now we are in Salt Marsh. There's a sign on the left. Salt Marsh this is. I believe there's a turn off in Salt Marsh that can carry you back to Wakesfield. Yeah. One of these days I'm going to take that road. Very, very soon I'm going to take that road. So make sure you tap that subscribe button. Right here on the left, I believe. Sherry Lee Ralph there on the billboard. The Honorable Sherry Lee Ralph, who got the Order of Distinction, popular actress abroad. She's a Jamaican, yes. Right in this area, I saw some goats and sheep. Yes, sheep run out in the road and a car damaged them. So, you know, we still have the problem of animals running out in the road. Sheep, you know, yeah, in Jamaica we have sheep. Sheep run out in the road. And the car get a damage too. Pure goats on the side of the road in Saltmarsh. Goats and sheep. Some land clearing. They're clearing out the salt, the marsh or the mangrove area for development. Nice stretch here, man. I love it. Alright, so we are approaching where Wilshire is. Wilshire in Greenwood. I can go over this back here. Alright, so the advertising parties, Joyride Party, Sunday Souls. Alright, so we are now in the Wilshire area. Another party coming up is the Solar Bora Bora on August 16. Alright, see a sign there saying welcome to St. James. We're going to pass the official border right here over the bridge. Well, it's not really a bridge, but this is the border. Welcome to St. James. Father Bull Restaurant is on the right. And this is Greenwood. A lot of properties in the hills of Greenwood are now going for sale. Chill out on the right. Also on the right is Long Bay Beach Restaurant. You can also turn in on the left to go into the community area of Greenwood. So now we're in Lilliput. Long time we not have no nice time. This is Jamaica. The real Jamaica. Not the pretty up one you see in the brochure that they give you at the hotel. This is the real streets. So we're still in the Lilliput area. IBUS Star Rosal is on the right. Straight ahead coming up is the Hard Rock and Unico hotels. Diamond Ultra Lounge on the left. You can turn on the left there to go further into Lilliput. Alright, so see them building the new Unico and Hard Rock Hotel on the right. Massive piece of infrastructure there. On the right is where they're gonna build the new Moon Palace Hotel very soon. They broke ground for it already. They just need to start the construction. On the left is a John Rollins Success Primary School. Now if I made the left turn here, that would have carried me to Barrett Town. On the left is Nas Children's Center. Beautiful. On the left is the way to Spot Valley. Little River, we're in the Little River area. So the entire stretch here is called the Rose Hall. They call it the Rose Hall Main Road. If I wanted to go to the Annie Palmer Rose Hall Great House, I would have made the left turn right here. Alright, we have the green light. The Montego Bay Convention Center is on the left. Who remember the video that we did over there? We attended the Jamaica Expo that was held there a few weeks ago. So be sure to check out that video as well when you're through with this one. Just look for Jamaica Expo 2026. There are a lot of innovations, a lot of new technologies, new products introduced there as well. The mayor was there. And we had a good time. A very popular video we did on the channel. Alright, so on the left here is very bumpy, so we have to take our time. And there's a truck coming up on my right, so let's cut the speed right down. Wow. Another big truck again. Zayat Zilara Hotel on the right. Half Moon on the left. Nice beautiful stretch here, the Rose Hall Main Road going straight into Montego Bay. private hospital is on the left. Hospital. So the rain coming down now, it's starting to drizzle. Catalonia Hotel on the right. Like this trailer carries horses. So it looked to me. It's gonna rain. Right on the left is where they're building the new Price Mart for Montego Bay. Look at the plane touching down, heading towards the Sansa International Airport. The rain is a race against time to get in the town center before the rain, but I can see it coming over the hill on the left. I can see the rain coming over. We're now in Iron Shore. On the left is where they're building the new entrance for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, also known as the Montego Bay Bypass. Rainy time here in Montego Bay. Rain has come down now. We made it far still. Pothole. White House is on the right. White House Village. Potholes on the road, the water is hiding them, so we have to switch lanes. section of the Sanks International Airport runway is on the right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Heavy rains, man. Heavy rains here in Montego Bay. Whoa, whoa. Showers of blessings. Whoa, my word. Independence Day showers, man. Doing some cleaning up on the left, but they need to clear the debris or else the rain will wash it back down. Again, guys, you can leave a super thank you gift right here on the channel, right here below this video. Check out that feature as well. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, tap the thumbs up button and leave a comment. Wow. It's raining cats and dogs. Here's the Montego Bay sign we just passed. We're going on to the hip strip now. Very soon. We went right around the roundabout. That would have carried us to the Sanks International Airport. So this is Godfrey Dwyer Boulevard. Brand new entrance for airport will be on the right. Summit Police Station on the left. Delisa Drive is also on the left. glass just fog up all of a sudden. Wow, wow, wow. It's not falling so hard here on the hip strip. Now we're officially on Montego Bay's hip strip. Welcome to Montego Bay. Taximan drive out on me. This hotel is on the right. Yeah, so hip strip. So the rain's coming back down on the hip strip. We're in Montego Bay. Cliff is on the left, Margaritaville on the right with the lovely Jamaica color decorations. Wow, look at the amount of water on the road. Persons have to be hightailing from the beach, waiting on their taxis to get back in town, the town centre. We're still on the hip strip. Coming back down. Oh my word. KFC on the right, but we're going on to St. James Street. Rainy Independence Day. Kingston to the Grand Gala. This is St. James Street. Wow, wow, wow. My word. So because you block off Sam Sharp Square, you can just go right around. You don't have to wait on our lights. Because of the rain, the police is not here. Look at the vendors taking shelter. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. You've successfully made it into Montego Bay, even in the rains. Continue to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Until then, my people, it's One Love Jamaica. Tap on the video you now see on the screen.